With their abundance of unique wildlife that can be found nowhere else, rainforests are among the planet's most biodiverse environments. A wide variety of unique species, each suited to thrive in their own habitat, can be found in these rich habitats, from the tall canopy to the dark forest floors. This video will highlight the astounding diversity and wonder that these natural havens have to offer by examining the top most unusual wildlife species that live in rainforests around the world. These amazing creatures will capture your imagination, regardless of whether you're a nature enthusiast or just curious. Jaguar. The largest cat in Central and South America, the jaguar, is a powerful representation of tropical rainforests. With its strong physique and bright orange coat covered with black rosettes, this apex predator is an expert at camouflage and stealth, making it a perfect fit for its dense jungle habitat. Jaguars hunt alone and are renowned for their exceptional strength and bite, which are capable of breaking the skulls of their prey, which includes caimans, deer, and capybaras. They can hunt along rivers and other bodies of water in the jungle because they can swim, which distinguishes them from other large cats. Jaguars, which are mostly found in the Amazon basin, are essential to preserving the ecosystem's equilibrium because they regulate the numbers of other creatures. They are among the most exotic and valued animals in the world's rainforests because of their elusiveness and the stunning beauty of their natural habitat. Toucan. The toucan is one of the most recognizable birds of the rainforest because of its distinctively big and colorful beak. These birds are mostly fruit eaters, reaching up to the trees in their lush jungle surroundings with their enormous beaks to pluck fruit from them. Reaching up to 20 centimeters in length, the toucan's beak aids in controlling body temperature by expelling extra heat. Toucans are not very good flyers. Despite their colorful appearance, they hop from branch to branch in search of food. Known for their loud, characteristic calls that bounce throughout the forest, toucans are gregarious birds that are frequently spotted in small flocks. They live in the rainforest canopies of Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador, where they are vital to the spread of seeds and the regeneration and well-being of the rainforest ecosystem. Anaconda. One of the largest snakes in the world, the anaconda is a powerful and huge jungle animal. These enormous snakes are the heaviest on the planet, reaching lengths of up to 30 feet and weighing more than 550 pounds. Being excellent swimmers, anacondas are frequently observed hunting for prey close to rivers, marshes, and swamps. They consume a wide range of species, including fish, birds, and huge mammals like capybaras and deer. Anacondas use their enormous bodies to strangle and subdue their prey, which they then swallow whole. Despite their size, anacondas are elusive animals that are frequently concealed beneath the water surface or amidst the rainforest's thick vegetation. Anacondas, one of the most unusual and fascinating animals in the world, are mostly found in Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. They represent the untamed strength and mystique of the world's jungles. Spider monkey. Spider monkeys are some of the most nimble and acrobatic creatures in the rainforest, distinguished by their long limbs and prehensile tails. These primates are extremely social, living in groups of up to 30 individuals. One of the most skilled arboreal animals, they can swing through the trees with grace thanks to their long, slender limbs and tails, which can serve as a fifth limb. Although their diet is mostly composed of fruits, spider monkeys also eat leaves, flowers, and insects. Spider monkeys are extremely intelligent and use a wide range of facial expressions, gestures, and vocalizations to interact with one another. Spider monkeys are a representation of the intricate social systems and dynamic habitats of the world's rainforests, and they may be found throughout the rainforests of Central and South America, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. Harpy eagle. A real apex predator of the rainforest, the harpy eagle is one of the strongest birds of prey. This magnificent raptor can hunt large animals, such as sloths and monkeys, thanks to its claws and its wingspan, which can reach over 6.5 feet. Because of their extraordinary strength and agility, harpy eagles are able to maneuver through the thick canopy in search of prey. They usually nest in the tallest trees in the jungle and are monogamous birds that frequently form lifetime pair bonds. The Harpy Eagle is one of the most recognizable and highly regarded creatures in the rainforest due to its remarkable look, which includes its characteristic feathered crown and penetrating eyes. Found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, the Harpy Eagle plays a key role in preserving the balance of the ecosystem. Tarsier. One of the world's tiniest and oldest primates, tarsiers are found in Southeast Asian rainforests, especially those in Indonesia and the Philippines. With eyes as big as their brains, these tiny primates, no bigger than a human hand, are recognized for having excellent night vision. Being purely carnivorous, tarsiers consume insects, birds, and small mammals. In search of prey, they can leap considerable distances between trees because of their strong hind legs. Being extremely talkative creatures, tarsiers use a variety of calls to interact with one another in the dense rainforest. Their distinctive and almost unearthly appearance is enhanced by their 180-degree head rotation. Tarsiers, one of the most unusual primates found in rainforests, are a living example of the richness and rich evolutionary past of these ancient ecosystems. Moving on to another unique species, Proboscis monkey. One characteristic that sets the Proboscis monkey apart is its large, protruding nose, which is particularly noticeable in males and is regarded as an attractive feature by females. This monkey, which is only found in Borneo's mangrove forests and coastal regions, is a superb swimmer with webbed feet to help it navigate its watery environment. Its food consists mostly of leaves, seeds, and unripe fruits, which causes its stomach to become bloated, which is another distinguishing trait. This species, which is endangered by habitat loss and poaching, is being protected via continuous conservation efforts. Bald Uakari. One characteristic that sets the bald Uakari apart is its bright red face and bald head, which is uncommon for primates and is believed to be a sign of good health. This monkey, which is native to the Amazon rainforest, excels at swimming and leads a semi-aquatic existence, especially in flooded and swampy places. It mostly eats frugivorous foods, which include fruits, seeds, and leaves that it collects from the forest canopy. Bald Uakaris are sociable creatures that live in large groups of up to 100 individuals, which makes it easier for the group to communicate and engage in intricate social interactions. Poison dart frog. The poison dart frog, with its colorful and sometimes neon-bright hues, is one of the rainforest's most striking and hazardous amphibians. These little frogs, which rarely grow to be more than 2 inches long, release strong toxins via their skin as a defense against predators. The most deadly species, such as the golden poison dart frog, may produce enough venom to kill 10 adult people, ranking among the world's deadliest creatures. Despite their destructive nature, these frogs play an important role in the rainforest ecology by controlling insect populations. They live in the rainforests of Central and South America, including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. Poison dart frogs are one of the rainforest's most exotic and fascinating species because of their distinctive appearance and deadly defense. As we conclude our look at some of the oddest rainforest animals, it's clear that the rainforest is more than just a collection of trees. It's a complex, lively community, teeming with life in its most extraordinary forms. These species, with their distinct adaptations and ecological responsibilities, show nature's tremendous creativity and the need to protect these habitats from dangers such as deforestation, climate change, and biodiversity loss. Each creature, from the elusive jaguar surveillance through the vegetation to the mystical poison dart frog with its poisonous skin, serves as an illustration of our planet's vulnerability and the critical need to safeguard these priceless environments. By valuing and safeguarding the rainforest, we ensure that future generations can continue to discover and learn from its hidden beauties, preserving the biodiversity that is critical to the overall wellness of our world. That has brought us to the end of this exploration. Have you ever seen any of these species? Comment in the comments section.